Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to install Claude Code AI natively on your Windows computer in a PowerShell app and also show how to authenticate using a unique code. Let's start by launching any web browser and visiting this website for Claude AI. You can log in with credentials or just register by directly linking your Google account or by using your email address. You can continue with the free account, but it's better if you have any paid subscription. Once the registration process is over and when you get to the screen, just click on Install Claude Code option. You will land up on this page, so let's go ahead and install Claude Code AI into your computer. And on the next page, click on Documentation. And as per the official guide, you can install Claude Code using methods like native install, homebrew, or wing it. But we will install using the recommended method, which is the native method. Claude Code is available cross-platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux. And for this video, we will install using Windows PowerShell over CMD tool because PowerShell is faster, cleaner, and way less frustrating. So, copy this PowerShell code and then launch the PowerShell app. Paste the code here and hit Enter. It may take a while to install Claude Code, so do not lose your patience here. If you get this error like this, where it says Claude Code on Windows requires git-bash, then keep watching for a solution. On the same error message, just copy the URL from here. Go back to the web browser and paste the URL. You will land up on this page as shown. Just click here to download the latest version of Git for Windows. Once the same is downloaded successfully, just install the same. And during Git setup process, keep all the settings at default. Git is needed here to run Claude Code because it provides a Linux-like terminal environment that Claude Code expects, but Windows does not natively have. So once the installation process is over for Git, just go back to the PowerShell and run this command. To verify Git install, I will leave all the commands I used in the description. But as you can see, it says that bash is not recognized. But just to double check, close the PowerShell app and relaunch a fresh new PowerShell, as you can see here. And again, type this command, and if you see this issue appear again, then the workaround to this error is by first launching the File Manager app, and then navigate to this PC path, then into your local disk drive. And next, go to Program Files, and navigate to Git folder. Finally, open the bin folder. This git.exe file should appear here, indicating that the Git was installed properly. Next, hover your cursor and click here, which shows the path to the Git file. Just copy the path to this file as shown here. Next, type and search for environment variables and launch the same. Click on Environment Variables and on the next window, just under System Variables. Locate the path option and highlight the same. Next, click on Edit, and then click on New. Simply paste the path to the git.exe file, which we copied earlier from File Manager. That's it. Just save the changes and you are done. This should fix the issue. So go back and restart the PowerShell app and then check whether the issue has been fixed or not by putting the same bash version command. And as you can see here, the issue has been resolved finally. Now that we have resolved the issue, let's again try to install the Claude Code into the computer. So go back to the Claude Code documentation page, copy this Windows PowerShell command, and simply paste the same into the PowerShell. Finally hit Enter, and now just wait for the installation process to get over. Here you go, Claude Code is installed successfully. But if you see this setup notes, which shows that a path is not added to the environment's variables. So, to add the path, first, copy the path, which is shown under the Setup Notes message, then search for Environment Variables and launch the same. Navigate to Environment Variables and under System Variables. Look for the Path option and highlight the same. Next, click on Edit and then add the copied path to the list and finally save the changes. Once the settings has been saved and the Claude Code is installed successfully, simply go back and restart the PowerShell app. And now you can start Claude Code in PowerShell by simply typing Claude and hit Enter. And you should see something like this. Let's now set up the Claude Code before we could start using it. First, select the theme of your choice and move on to the next window. Claude Code can be used with any of the Claude account paid subscription, or even connect your Anthropic console account and third-party platforms. For this video, we will select the first option. Once you select the first option, a browser should open automatically. But if it does not, then a custom URL should appear like this as shown. Simply copy it and open the same browser where you have signed up with Claude, and paste the copied URL and hit enter. This is done to authenticate your Claude subscription. You should see an authentication code like this. Now, just copy this code and paste the same in the PowerShell app like you see here. And in this way, you can authenticate, and that should be it. You can now start using Claude Code natively in your Windows computer right from your PowerShell. And if you want to run Android apps in your Windows computer, watch my next video and do subscribe to my channel.